Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I got to ask this question. How do I change the language in my Google apps on my mobile device? And I thought, you know what, this would be a great use of an iPhone video. So before I share the answer, hit that subscribe button so you can get more YouTube videos that I share all about Google Workspace and Gmail just for you. So if what you want to change is the language that is used in your Gmail app on your mobile device, you don't change the language in these apps. You change the language in your cell phone settings. So I've got to go down here and find the language setting that I want to use. And then right here it is. It's under settings. Go to general. And there it is right there. Language and region. And here's where I can change the language that I want on my smartphone, which would in fact change the language that the Google apps are using on this device. So that's how you change it on the Gmail app on your cell phone. If you want to change the language that is used on Gmail on the web, then that's a different answer, and that answer is here. Go to Gmail, go up here to set the lines, go to settings. In settings, go to my name. In my name, manage your Google account. And when you manage your Google account with personal info, you slide down here under personal info and you'll see language, manage the settings for Google services on the web. You click here and now you can change your preferred language that on the web. But this is not directly going to change the language in the Google or Gmail apps on your cell phone, only through the web browser. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful.